Okay, so let's continue. So we have this sample problem number 2. And then after this one, sit work tayo. Okay, so for the problem number 2, we have a beam width na 300. Tapos yung depth naman natin is 490. And then we have the FC prime of 27.6. Tapos FY na 276. And then meron tayong D prime na 60. Tapos given na din po yung factored moment MU na 620. Pero if hindi given yung MU, mag-solve pa tayo, no? Okay, so let's write the step-by-step procedure. For number 1, MU. Ilan yun? 620. So para sa step number 2, MU is equivalent to VMN. So 620 is equivalent to 0.9 MN. Ilan? 688.889. So number 3 is to solve for or to compare the rho tsaka rho max. Okay, solve for the rho max. Meron tayong 0.85 FC prime, FY, beta pa pala, no? Tapos 3/8. Pakibigay na lang po yung value sa akin. Ano? Ilan? 0.02. Isa pa. 0. Dalawa pa. FC prime is 27.6. Yung FY is 276. Ito 300. Tapos ito naman 490. Next row. Ay, RN muna, RN. Pag-solve, Pancho. MU. Yung MU po natin is 620 times 10 raised to 6. 0.9. 300. 490. Resolve po, Mr. Pancho. Squared pa. Ayan. 9.564. And then, solve for rho. Ako. 0.85 FC prime. 0 FY 1 minus ako, may ilan? Ako nga ni 0.04 So yung rho based on our computation so this is DRB po. DRB. Okay, so step number 4. AS max. So para ma-solve natin yung AS max, we have AS max, Rho max, BD. Oh, paki-solve naman. AS max, Morales. Yung AS max is 0.02709. 3982.781. This is also equivalent to AS1. Okay? Next, solve for A and number 5. A and C. Pwede niyang gamitin yung C max. Para mas mabilis tayo. 3/8. D. C max. Asiko. Yung D is equivalent to 490. Tapos pakisolve yung A. Cantilio. Point. Isa pa. Sakto. Yung A, Miss Cantilio. 156.188. Oh, tama. yung A, A beta C. Baka nakakalimutan nyo na yun. Pero yung gamitin yung C is equivalent to T para dito. O kaya naman, mag-C max na lang kayo kasi paras lang naman. Diba? Number 6. Okay. Mali ba? Mali yung ES. Zero. Number 6. Solve for MN1 and MN2. Para sa moment number 1, meron tayong AS max, Fy, D minus A over 2 divided by 10 raised to 6. Pag-solve po, Miss... Sino yung nasa likod na ano? Sino yung katabi mo? Rivera. MN1. Yung AS max po natin is 3982. Fy is 276. 490 minus 183.70. 156.188. MN1 is equivalent to 452.724. And then solve for MN1 ay MN2. Okay, meron po tayong MN na equivalent to 688.889. Yung MN1 naman natin is 452.724 plus MN2. Yung MN2 is equivalent to 165 kilonewton meter. Nakakasunod? After nito is solve na natin yung number ano na to? 7. Solve AS2. Gamit yung MN2, meron tayong AS2. Tapos yung F. Yung gagamitin natin dito is Fy. D minus D prime. (236.165) AS2. Mamaya. Oo. 276. Yung D is 490. Yung D prime is 60. 10 raised to 6. Pag-solve po, AS2. No gain. Parehas lang yan, no? Pwede dito, pwede din naman dito. Kahit alin dyan sa dalawa. AS2 is equivalent to sinogin. Point 1 Okay, so we have the AS2 na. So basically, meron na tayong tension bar, no? Meron na tayong AS1 plus AS2. Pero, we need to check the Fs prime din. Pero ang tanong sa atin is tension bar lang naman. Ito niya. Calculate the required tension steel area. Ibig sabihin, yung gagamitin natin, ang solve lang natin dito is AS1 plus AS2, which is equivalent to 1989.931 plus 3982. Ilan yan? Pag-solve nga, Aroy. 3982.23. Ilan? Ano? Pag di nalagay, di wag niyo i-solve. Pero i-solve natin kasi required sa klasiko. Solve for Fs prime number ano to? 8 600 C minus D prime over C. Ito is equivalent to ang C natin is 183.75. MPa. So this is greater than So kapag greater than Fy, yung AS prime is equivalent sa AS2, no? Steel yields ito. Steel yields. So bali yung AS prime natin, yung compression steel bar is parehas doon sa AS2 na na-solve natin kanina. Kaya this is equivalent to 1989.931. So meron na po tayong steel area ng AS tsaka compression steel area. Box ko na lang para sa inyong Sige. ES lang naman yung hinahanap.